9:09 p.m. 808dragon.com. 86 degrees in the dark. And we are down to emergency lights, Captain. Oh, Christ. The lights went off on the lithium. Bright side, we have 50% there. Not using too much on the Jackery. Deep Cycle has a whole 11.4 healthy looking battery, and the cooler set to 55 because I'm a human thermostat. My poor little Gundam with its motion detection right there can't turn on right now because the lithium went down. So is everything else. I'm going to unplug its little wire here and plug it into the cooler over here. And voila! Let there be light. Let there be light. 9/11, it's an emergency. We don't have lights. So for this right here, I'm just gonna wander over here. And I made it easy on myself, and I'm just gonna hit this switch right here. So as you can see, the Wanderer is dead. There's still 11.6, not doing horrible. And when I do this, let there be light. Fun fact, I can hook up the Jackery, I guess, about now. So the cooler is hooked up here, which is negligible. And that is the cutoff point, 10.5. Let there be light. So these are bridged. There's a little meter here, sort of saying, fluctuating a little. Air one, oh well. Yeah, lights. 10.4, we're at 50 degrees at least. Okay, so I'll admit it's only 2 watts input on the Jackery, but technically it is charging at night on my little rig. I can turn off this little emergency light for now. Sometimes things are that easy. But yeah, basically, well, I guess it's hard to see from there, but connected to the little jumper cables there. Now when I switch it from the lithium side to the Deep Cycle side, that takes a strain off of this. 9:20 p.m. Back to solar mode for the Jackery.